Hello, everyone. Welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. Today, we are going to learn what like terms are and how to identify them correctly. Let's get started. Before we learn about like terms, let's review what a term is. Terms are separated by addition or subtraction signs. In the expression 3x plus 5 minus 2y, there are three terms, 3x, 5, and 2y. Like terms have exactly the same variables with the same powers. For example, 3x and 7x are like terms, 5a and 2a are like terms, 4y squared and 9y squared are like terms. These are not like terms. 3x and 3y have different variables, 4a and 4a squared have different powers, 5m and 5n have different variables. Remember, both the variable and the power must match. Pause the video and choose the correct answer. Which pair are like terms? The answer is B. 5a and 7a are like terms because both have the variable a. Try this question by yourself. Pause the video if you need more time. The answer is A. All three terms have the variable x in the same power, therefore they are like terms. Great work today. Now you know what like terms are and how to identify them. Thank you for watching Maths with Mr. Chow. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more maths lessons.